Hello, I'm here to demonstrate the web experiment number 5. The web experiment number 5 is dealing all about how we can make different types of forms in one list. So it is about the JavaScript document elements and events. Document elements and events. Now I'll show you how my web pages has to be. See, it'll mostly look like a form, but you have to do different kind of things in this. Okay, in the first session it'll take a string in which there'll be many substrings, and it'll find the biggest of all the string and return the answer in it. Okay, for that I'll show you the code. That it will be the largest string, enter a string input type, text placeholder hello, button type button, on click fun click. So p answer span id equal to s1, so span. Now I'll go to this thing. I'll just type how are you. Okay, now it will show how is. See, now you can understand what. Now it's checking the largest of all the strings and it is returning the value. For that only you are doing this operation. Then the next section will be coming to find the BMI of a person. What is BMI? Body mass index. That means it will take your weight and it will take your height and it will calculate how much your body mass index is. So now for that one I will just tell you what I have written here. The script type is equal to text / JavaScript. Here you're using a function. So function space function name. What is function name I've given here? It is fun. So where string is equal str equal to document.get element by id of t1 dot value. Where a equal to str dot split. Where max equal to a of 0 dot length. Where 1 l equal to 0. For I equal to 0, I less than a or a dot length I plus plus. If a of I dot length greater than max, L equal to I. Max equal to A of I. Document dot get element by ID of S1 inner HTML equal to A1. Now so here what I'm going to do is I'm just giving the things. This is the code which is used to find out the biggest. Now it will be checking each and every array in an array. In that sub array it will be checking which is the largest one. Now to find the body mass index, you have to create two text fields for entering the weight and height and a button for telling it to submit. Okay, now when I do that, what will happen? See, function BMI, it is taking parse float of document.get element by id, parse float of document.get element by id of t3. Now it will calculate body mass index is the weight divided by h into h. If body mass index is less than or equal to 18, then it is telling underweight. If it is more than 18 or equal, more than 18 and less than or equal to 25, it is telling that it's normal. More than 25, less than 30, it's overweight, and greater than 30, it is obese. Now for that, see, I'll write here weight means 41 and height is 578, 568. See, here it's giving here underweight body mass index. So I'm underweight, that I already know. So it is showing that I'm underweight. Now the next one is I'm showing the flower gardens. Now it will show me how many rows, like I'll give the rows and columns. So it will display a picture of how many rows and columns I have asked for. Rows input type, for that I've created two text boxes for rows and columns, and button on click for grow. So whenever the grow thing is there, now it will redirect to one page where math.floor, math.random into 3 plus 1. So parse L, I will parse both the rows and columns, and now I'm using two for loops, and I'm going to do image source of the flower -1 width equal to 100 pixel and height equal to 100 pixel. So then I'll close flower equal to math.floor of math.random 3 into 1. So I'll be closing that. Now see, I will go to the answer and I'll type 10 rows and 5 columns plant garden. See, So like that it will be displayed 10 rows and 5 columns. Okay, that is how it will come. The next one is a weight converter. Now I will give some weight, so it will get converted to whichever thing you want. Now for that I'm going to use check drop down list. In that I will select which unit I want to change. So I've created these things, and for that index equal to triple equal to 0 and index 1 equal to triple 0. When that is thing, so it will print as a, then if else, then where a equal to document dot get element by id of data dot value, where x equal to a into 2.20462 something like that, 462262, document dot get element by id of answer dot inner html plus x. Like that I'll be creating for how many ever elements I've done. So the next, convert 52 53 from kgs 53. So here it will show like that. Then the next one is to flip a coin. When I want to flip a coin, I'm going to write toss a coin, button type I'm going to do, I'll give a button, then it'll say flip, and then image source I'm giving, then number of heads and number of tails. So document dot get element by id of b1, add event listener, when I click it has to flip. So then function flip is where ht equal to mat.float 2 into mat.random, switch off ht, switch of ht case 0 h plus plus, document dot get element by id inner html. I'll be doing that, I'll be using a break statement. So now when I give this, it will get flip. See, when I do this, it will get flip. So that is the flipping thing. Then the next one in my thing will be pizza order. So in pizza order I will type number of large pizza 5, medium pizza 2, large pizza 1. So tip 10%, calculate order. See, I'll be giving this. So I'm going to calculate that order for this. And that's all for this video, and thanks for watching.